ways in which soils work. But you want to know if your soil is active or not. So if you do a test like this, you can just basically send an email to the university at Deco Labs, and they'll compare it to the average productivity of the type of soil you're in, and then you'll see if it's below or above average, and it'll give you some information if your soil is polluted or not. This is pretty great. I encourage you all to do this. And now we're going to now you know, is your soil polluted? Yeah, my tea bags are still perfectly well. I just need some hot water. So is closed. We want to change something there. We got to remediate the soil because you can't have kids running around there. You can't eat food that grows there, and it's actually even a danger for the ocean quality because it's right by the beach, right? So what do you do usually? The most common way of treating that is actually not treatment. It's excavation, which is basically you dig up the soil and you take it to a landfill, and then you forget about it. And it's not other options. As you know, we're going towards phytoremediation. I'm going to go real fast through the other three options because they're a bit more common at this point. So air sparging is basically blowing air